Hi guys, so today we are going to be cooking up one of my all-time favorite Nigerian dishes, and that is Giz Dodo. Giz Dodo is a mouth-watering combination of gizzards, spicy stew, and perfectly fried plantain. So basically, all your taste buds dreams come true in one dish. So for starting, we're just going to cook our gizzards, and then we're going to put the spices in, give it a good stir, and then we're going to cover that, let it cook until it has softened. So now for the preparation of our plantain, we're just going to peel the plantain. I'm using ripe plantain. You have to use ripe plantain, that's what you use for your giz dodo. So you peel your plantains and then you slice them into bite-sized chunks, okay, about an inch thick. You can go as little or as thinner as you want, depending on your preference, but just to make sure they fry up nice and crispy. Okay, so after cutting that, you're going to put a little bit of salt in it and then give it a little stir. Now you're going to heat up your oil in a pan over medium heat, and once it's hot, carefully add your plantains, okay? You fry them until they're golden brown and crispy on both sides. Don't forget to flip them gently so they can cook evenly. So once they are done, put it on a napkin and then set them aside. Next, we're going to fry our gizzards. Now we're also going to fry this until they are both brown and crispy. Okay, but don't cook it all the way through yet because we're going to finish it off in the stew. So now in a fresh pot, you heat up some oil and then you saute your onions until they are soft and translucent. Now we're going to add our tomatoes, scotch bonnet pepper, red bell peppers, and then we're going to stir this up and then let it cool down until the tomatoes break down and become a rich, flavorful base, just like this. Alright, so now we're just going to season the stew. Okay, we're going to season with thyme, curry, paprika, nut cubes, and a little salt to taste. Now we're just going to let everything simmer together so the flavors can really come together. Now once the stew is looking good, add your gizzards back into the pan. Alright, we're going to let this cook for another 8 minutes. Alright, making sure that the gizzards soak up all those beautiful flavors it has. So I just went in with a little bit of the gizzard broth. And now we're just going to cover this and let it cook for around 8 to 10 minutes. Alright, so now comes the fun part. We're going to combine our crispy fried plantains with the gizzard sauce. Alright, so gently stir them together so these plantains soak up some of that delicious stew. Okay, we just want it to still keep that crispiness, but let it also have those flavors. Now look at that, doesn't it look irresistible? So here we're just going to add our mixed bell peppers. Okay, now we mix it together and then we're just going to stir. Alright, to stir it until everything is thoroughly combined. All right, when you finish that, then your delicious Giz Dodo is ready to serve. I promise you, every bite is a flavor explosion. So if you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. All right, so for the garnish, I'm just going to put a little bit of spring onions on it, just to make it more colorful. Don't forget to subscribe and share this recipe with your friends. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video with another tasty recipe. All right, enjoy. Bye bye.